Sa dinami-dami ng mga coated fried chicken recipes, may mga panahong hahanapin natin yung simple pero napakasarap na Max's Style fried chicken. Gagamit ako ng 1 kilong buong manok for this recipe. Mas mainam na hindi masyadong kalakihan yung gagamitin nating manok para mas madaling lutuin. Note na okay lang na frozen chicken ang gamitin. Malinis na to at kailangan lang nating i-defrost overnight. I-pat dry lang natin para ma-absorb yung mga excess liquid. And then, i-prepare natin yung mga kakailanganin natin for steaming the chicken. So, gumamit ako ng 5 butil ng bawang. Pinukpok ko lang to at hindi na to kailangang hiwain. Kailangan lang din ng 1 cup of water. Lagay natin yung bawang at 3 pieces of bay leaves, 1 teaspoon salt, at 1 teaspoon din ng buong paminta. Gagamit ako ng instant pot to steam the chicken, kaya konting tubig lang ang kailangan. I just use 1 cup of water for this. This green heat-resistant steaming basket is very helpful for steaming anything. Note na there are several other ways to steam the chicken. Kung gagamit ng regular steamer, kakailanganin ng 4 cups of water, and steaming time will be about 45 minutes. Kung ilalaga naman ang chicken sa tubig, kailangan lang siguraduhin enough ang tubig para lumubog ang chicken. And this will take about 20 to 30 minutes. For this, gagamit ako ng pressure cook option ng Instant Pot for 12 minutes. At i-release to naturally for 17 minutes. That's gonna be enough to have tender chicken inside at maluluto na to hanggang luto. Pag ready na yung ating chicken, pwede na natin itong iahon. And we make sure na ma-drain natin yung excess liquid. Papalamigin lang natin to for a few minutes. And then, i-rub natin to with salt and pepper. Just to make sure na flavorful pa din yung ating chicken skin. Next is i-prepare na natin yung ating pagprito. So, gumamit lang ako ng 3 cups of cooking oil for this. At pag mainit na yung mantika, pwede na natin ilagay yung mantika. So, kahit na 3/4 part of the chicken lang ang submerge yung oil, okay lang. Pwede naman natin itong balik na rin after. Kahit ano pa ang dinidip fry natin, konting init lang sa dinamsik. So kahit na binaligtad na natin yung chicken, if we feel like na kailangan pa natin itong i-flip on the other side ng isang beses, pwede rin. Siyempre, pag golden brown na all over yung chicken, ready na. I-drain lang natin yung excess oil. At para ma-absorb pa yung extra oil, gumamit ako ng baking paper. And then, ready to serve na yung ating Max's Style fried chicken. Very crispy, thin skin outside, and tender meat inside. Best served with banana, ketchup, and kanin. Kain na po tayo!